If you're part of an editorial or marketing team that works in Google Docs for the initial collaboration and editing of a document, you can use the Draft from Google Docs plugin to easily bring that content into WordPress once you're ready. I can add a label so that in this case the images will be named Coinbase 1, Coinbase 2, Coinbase 3, and so forth. This is particularly useful if you have images or charts in your document. It's going to download those into WordPress. Whereas otherwise, I found myself having to download them one at a time. If I follow my edit link, I have some cleanup I need to do. And also, if I'm working in the block editor, it's going to come in as a classic block initially, but I can just do this little convert to blocks things that works pretty well. And we will scan through here and clean up the headline. I might want to remove some unwanted images, clean up some other formatting, but I'm still saving a lot of work compared to having to clean up the HTML. Also, working at a company that uses the classic editor for its blog, we're getting all sorts of unwanted inline styles and other attributes. Now, images are in here. These will have the file name that we'd set. They can be reformatted, resized, and they are actually loaded into the WordPress media library. So they're going to be served locally. Whereas if you did a naive copy and paste, you'd see the images in the editor, but they point to the Google Cloud, and as soon as you try and publish that post, they would just disappear. This simplifies the process of turning a Google Doc into a blog post, publishing it, and getting it up on your website.